Hi guys, it's Robin here from Win with Robin, your black belt success coach. I have coached hundreds, if not thousands of people over the years to great success. I've even won awards myself for the results that my clients got. But in my experience, setting goals and making New Year resolutions and that sort of thing is too scary for most people. It's an insurmountable challenge, and most people give up, right? And we all know that. So I have for you today a 90-day action plan challenge. 90 days I found in my experience to be the ideal length of time for you to make habits and set goals and achieve results. So click the link below, don't waste another minute. Let's hit that 90-day challenge today, and I will also give you my bonus 25 goal hacks. So don't waste another minute. Start crushing your goals from today with my 90-day challenge. Okay, that's it from Robin at Win with Robin.